Alright, this is DKA, decargo to US dollar. You can see right here. Let's check this chart out. Alright, 2020, this was 4 cents. You can see the 16-cent move, pull back. 0.019, this goes to 82 cents. There's a sharp shooting star wick. And then that was the big wick. You can see that was it. And then we came back down, 0.45, 0.217. You see the triangle going down, and that was it. So on this one, you're at 0.023. Back then, you're bouncing to 0.05, 0.015. Look at all these moves. Very tight moves here. Right now, we're at 0.02. You can see for the month up 26%. Yeah, and let's take a look. Money flow is highest 2024. Look where we're at right now. That is the time you want to get in at that low. It's diving deep too. This is really deep low. I don't think I've ever seen something on money flow below 20 that deep. It's 6.51. See the big volume on that bar too on the monthly? CCI came up from that low. It's coming up. You can see a slight little move on stochastics. So, yeah, it's looking promising, longer term here. Weekly chart. 5 years. All right, there's the spike up. You come down, you're back and forth. Look at all these moves. You're playing these back and forth moves. The last one, 0.014, you're at 0.02. That is 75 million on the weekly volume. That is a huge long. Let's look at the closer up 3 year. Here we're at now. Look at all these spikes. Spike up. 0.013, you're moving. Now, if this crosses down below that, looks like that could be the low for now, and we're at 0.0176. Daily 1 year. You can see all these lows. 0.017, 0.033. You go all the way down. 0.0137 to 0.018. So that's where we stand on this. Go back to the monthly. Here's the 5 year. So there's a spike. You have this low here. You have the high here. Now you can see all these moves. You have the 0.05, 4, 4.8, 2.0. Looks like the highs are getting lower. The lows are pretty much staying. So yeah, we're at 0.018 right now. Yeah, this you want it to break 0.02 and then get to eventually 0.05. That would be super penny. If I would play this, this would be an extra long-term play with that color that deep. Look at this run, and you're deep here, starting to turn, and this is pretty crazy how low that is. Anytime money flows that low, always will be a buy long-term, meaning it will go up at some point, unless something happens, this disappears, which who knows? You had to look into this deeper on this one, this crypto. All right, so check it out. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button.